Hello everyone, happy June 10th. Today we celebrate tea, history and kindness. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Iced Tea Day. A day to enjoy this refreshing beverage. A perfect gift could be gourmet tea blends, iced tea pitchers, or a tea tasting experience. What's your favorite iced tea flavor? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's Ballpoint Pen Day. A celebration of this everyday writing tool. A thoughtful gift could be luxury pens, personalized stationery, or a creative writing journal. What's your favorite pen to write with? Share in the comments. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Herb and Spice Day. A day to appreciate the flavors that enhance our meals. A great gift could be spice collections, herb growing kits, or a cooking class. What's your favorite spice to cook with? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for June 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.